All right, hello my viewers. I'm in the forest again. The weather is so cool. It's not like last week. It's 63 now, 63, and this place is just amazing. Look, all pine tree, fresh grown wheat, rice. But I think this place is abandoned because no tire's been here for a couple months. See, all the vegetations are nice. They're not like smush to the ground. All right, let's start building the shelter. Perfect. Perfect. I got enough stone. Let's make a good bonfire. Bonfire's ready. And it's raining a little bit. You can hear it, it's fine. It's not much. All right, this is it. That's my shelter. Nice, cozy. And then another thing, it didn't weigh much to bring it up here, and it didn't took in a lot of space, which I like. Do you listen? I don't know what kind of bird is this. Sounds like an alarm. All right, let's go. Good morning, it's 7 a.m. I'm up. It's all foggy and beautiful. I need water for breakfast or to drink. I have no water. I need to find stream or spring water. I need to find water. That's my main move right now. Water. I need water. I'm out of water. No water at all. Alright, I had some grits. Healthy and good. I'm gonna mix it with some sausage. I think I put too much. Let's see. I think I put too much. God. Maybe not. Let's see. Alright, I got this sausage. I'm about to cook. Focus. This is the sausage. Don't go indifferent. Just a summer beef sausage. Nothing else. Stay focused. Alright, looks ready. Let's head back to the campsite. Yes, it's amazing. Look at all this fog. Mist, I mean. Nice, clean, good spring water. I need to fill up this bag for shower because I need to take a shower really bad. I've been sweating all day. That should be enough. Just close it. That is a good shower, but it's cold. I had the bag up here and right there. I mean, you know how the mechanism works. You suck on the tube, the water will raise down, flow out the tube. I mean. All right, I'm hungry. Time to eat. Let's go. That's what I'm gonna eat. That's gonna be my food for the rest of the day. Good morning, it's 10 a.m. I'm done. Today, I'm leaving. No more fog, and it's too humid. Yesterday was better. That's it for this video. If you like my videos, please hit that subscribe and hit that like. I'll see you on the next. Peace out.